Gastrolux has been manufacturing high-quality cookware for decades, using premium quality aluminium, and have always aimed to produce the world's best pots and pans. Our passion for always being that vital step ahead in terms of research and development spurs us in new directions day in and day out. Aluminium of the highest quality is led along a conveyor to the crucible, where it's melted down at around 600 degrees Celsius. Robots clean the molds prior to each casting cycle and pour precisely weighed quantities of the molten aluminium into them. Gastrolux has a production capacity of 1 million pots and pans a year. Pressure at 200 bar ensures entirely shrinkage cavity-free cast parts. After the production process, each part is checked by staff who have many years of experience. The patented embedded handle mounting uses neither screws nor rivets. The patented removable handle is yet another high-tech development from Gastrolux. Permanent weight controls go without saying. If the control mass does not precisely match, the pan or pot is melted down again. After trimming, the pan is checked once again, and in the next procedure is precisely grinded to within millimeter tolerances by robots. The pots and pans then proceed on a conveyor belt to the sandblasting plant. Here, the surfaces are cleaned and given their precise surface roughness. Every individual product is now cleansed to remove surplus abrasive and then automatically palleted for further transport. Here, the RA and RZ roughness of the surface is checked and recorded in the logbook. Our biotin cooking coating with valuable minerals, in combination with nanotechnology, provides a resilient elastic surface with excellent non-stick effect and excellent frying qualities. Here, further optical quality controls are carried out before the coating is baked on at 420 degrees Celsius. The thickness of the surface treatment is under constant control and recorded in a log. The base is grinded to a concave shape within tenths of a millimeter and given its unique spiral structure. And finally, each pan is given its own identification number. This allows us to check at any time when a specific product was produced. In order to ensure perfect heat distribution, the concavity is constantly checked and also recorded in the logbook. Individually packed frying pans, stacked ready for our customers. Our passion puts us under obligation to develop and produce the world's best frying pans. For this reason, we regularly have our products tested by recognized technological institutes. Besides this, we test our products according to the methods laid down by the German Stiftung Warentest Foundation. This involves masking 3/4 of a frying pan with sticky tape. Water, sand and ball bearings are placed in the pan. Then the pan is vibrated for 15 minutes at 300 rounds per minute. After 15 minutes, the sticky tape is removed from the next quarter of the pan. The vibration test is repeated for another 15 minutes. The sticky tape is removed from the third quarter of the pan, which is subjected to another 15-minute vibration test. Each quarter of the pan illustrates a different degree of heavy usage, and we check the surface in accordance with criteria laid down by the Stiftung Warentest. This process is carried out under the surveillance of the Danish Technological Institute as a neutral body. A pancake test is then performed in the frying pan, subjected to the vibration test, again in accordance with the criteria laid down by the Stiftung Warentest. Without fat, a pancake mixture is fried at 180 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. The pancake drops right off a Gastrolux frying pan even after a 45-minute wear test. The products of various competitors look rather different. Again, in accordance with the criteria of the Stiftung Warentest, a milk burning test is carried out. Milk is allowed to burn onto the frying pan at 180 degrees Celsius for 17 minutes. The Gastrolux frying pan can be cleaned effortlessly. Here too you can see what the product of one of our competitors looks like after such a test. Every lorry that carries our premium quality products to the world outside is given a vocal send-off. We look forward to when the next lorry leaves in your direction. Our passion is to produce the world's best frying and cookware. We would like to take this opportunity to invite you to visit our production facilities at Ryomgård in Denmark, where you will experience for yourself the daily dedication of our entire staff toward our passion.